Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing? Thanks for tuning in. If it's your first time, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. In today's video, we are going to be cooking okra soup. Yes guys, firstly what I have here, I have my beef, I have my meat, is already washed, and secondly I have my bomo, which is back of the beef. Yes guys, and I have my fish, and this is macro fish. You can use any fish of your choice guys, but me I prefer this macro fish. Yes, and I have the things I'll be blending later on guys. This is the things I'll be blending later on. Yeah, I have my tomatoes, and this is fresh tomatoes. I have my onions. Yeah, I have my scotch bonnet pepper. Yes guys, and I have my bell pepper. I'm using 2 of that. Yes guys, I've already washed them. I've already removed the inside, and I've already washed them. And we have our okra. This is fresh okra guys. You need fresh okra for this. So you need the okra, and this okra I'll be showing you how I'm going to cut it later on as well. So yes guys, without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Firstly, I'm pouring the fish and the back of the meat, the back of which is bomo, into the beef, and I'm putting my seasoning cube. I'm using 2 seasoning cube guys. Yes, for this. And I will be adding salt. Yes, and I'll just add water as well. So guys, so after adding the water, I'll just go ahead and put it in the gas. I will leave this meat to cook for 15 minutes because I want this bomo to get very soft. So I'll be leaving the meat to cook for 15 minutes with low heat guys. So me leaving this meat to cook, I'll just go ahead and blend those things I have to blend. So I'll just go ahead and blend them right away. So guys, after finishing blending all what I have to blend, I'll just go ahead and put my okra inside the water, wash it, and started cutting it to my desired size. Yes, so I'm just going to cut it. I'm going to show you the way I'm going to cut it, then after I'll go off camera and cut the remaining one, and I'll just show you when I finish cutting all the okra guys. Yes, I'm cutting it like this. If you want, you can cut it more smaller than this, but me I want it to be like this because I like when I'm seeing the seed inside the soup guys. Yes, so that is it. This is how I'm going to be cutting it. Yes guys, and I'm going to show you one more time, and I'll go off camera and cut the remaining one guys. This soup actually is what I don't normally eat always, but one time I used to cook it. I'll cook it, and we'll just eat it for 1 or 2 days. Yes, guys, you know me, I always cook a lot of food because I put some in the deep freezer, you know. That is how I'm used to cook. Yeah, so yeah, that is it. So I'm showing you one more time the way I'm going to cut the okra, and yeah, I'll go off camera and cook and cut, sorry guys, and cut the remaining one. Yes, yeah, that is it, guys. So this is after I've finished cutting all the okra. This is how it looks. Yes, guys, so I'm just going ahead to check on my meat. Yes, this is after 15 minutes. So I'm just going to remove the fish inside to debone it. I have to remove all the bones from the fish. That's why I'm removing the fish, guys. So you know, when you have a children, you have to be very careful, because I need this bone in the soup. Yeah, so I'm going to remove the fish and debone it, and after deboning it, I'll just come back and put it inside. So yeah, I'll just go ahead and pour my blended things inside the meat as well, and mix it together. Yes, guys, so I'll mix it together, and I'll still be leaving it. After mixing, I'll leave it for like 2 minutes, guys, to cook. Yes, this is after 2 minutes. So yeah, this is the way it looks after 2 minutes. So what I will do, I'll just go ahead and pour my okra on it like so. Yes, I'll pour my okra on it like so, and mix it together. And pour my fish. The fish I've already deboned, as you can see here. I've removed the bone inside, so I'll just pour it like so on it and mix it together as well. So I'm still going to leave it to cook for like 3 minutes, guys, for the okra to cook. Yeah, this is after 3 minutes. As you can see that, guys, so delicious. Wow, it turns out really nice, and the aroma that is coming out of this soup, guys, you know, imagine. Yes, guys, this is it after finishing cooking the soup, guys. This is how it look. I hope you learned something, guys. Please don't forget to comment, like, and share. Subscribe to my channel if you are not yet subscribed. Until I come your way next time, stay blessed. Bye bye.